Hello all, this is Mahi. Welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this channel, you get the videos related to Tspsc exams. I have already posted the videos related to Telangana eminent persons and their titles, Telangana important days, Shatavahana dynasty, Ikshvaku dynasty, Vishnu Kundin dynasty, and some current affairs related to Telangana. Till now, if you haven't watched those videos, please go watch once. In this video, I am going to explain the Nallakonda Jatara. I have already explained some Jataras. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch once. I'll give the Telangana Jataras playlist at the end of the video. Nallakonda Jatara, which is celebrated in the Jagityal district, where in Jagityal district, in the Nallakonda village. The name of the Jatara came from the village name. Nallakonda village is present in Kodimiyal Mandal of Jagityal district. It is celebrated in Narasimhaswamy temple. Nallakonda Jatara is celebrated in Narasimhaswamy temple. According to Puranas, Sri Mahavishnu stepped on this hill after destroying Hiranyakashipu. That's it about Nallakonda Jatara. Next, Maldala Jatara, which is celebrated in Venkateshwara Swami temple, and this temple is present in Jogulamba Gadwal district at Maldakal. Maldakal Venkateshwara Swami is also known as Timmappa, hence it is called as Timmappa Jatara. Hence this Jatara is also known as Timmappa Jatara, which is celebrated in Jogulamba Gadwal district. Maldakal Jatara, Jogulamba Gadwal district. Next, Rangapur Jatara, which is celebrated in the Rangapur village of Achampet Mandal, which is present in Nagarkarnul, district. Here, Uma Maheshwara temple is situated in Nagarkarnul district. The place where Rangapur Jatara is celebrated, Uma Maheshwara temple is situated on the hillock of Nallamala forest. I have already explained about the Nallamala forest in the context of forest fire in the Nallamala in the Telangana current affairs video. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch once. Nallamala forest is famous for Amrabad Tiger Reserve. Amrabad Tiger Reserve. At Nallamala, Amrabad Tiger Reserve is present. Nallamala forest is present in the part of Eastern Ghats, which is parallel to Coromandel coast. And next, coming to the Rangapur Jatara, there is a Hazrat Niranjan Shawali Dargah. At the down of the hill. On the hill, Rangapur Jatara is celebrated. At the down of the hill, Hazrat Niranjan Shawali Dargah is present. Next, Gangamma Jatara. Gangamma Jatara is celebrated in the Suryapet district of Bikmalla village, which is present in Suryapet district. At that place, Gangamma Jatara is celebrated. It is celebrated every year on Ugadi by Masanapalli Yadavas. Gangamma Jatara is celebrated in Suryapet district. And the devotees who come there take bath in Tanmacharla, which is present near the temple. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't watched the remaining Jatara videos, please do watch once. I have already explained about the Sammakka Saralamma Jatara, Ainavolu Jatara, Bijjanki Jatara, Edupayala Jatara, etc. videos.